In the scenario of global warming, environmental protection is a matter of serious concern today. It is the responsibility of every citizen and every organization to protect our Mother Earth from environmental hazards. As part of sustainable mining practices, SCCL took up massive plantation drives since long before. So far, more than 6 crores of saplings have been planted on overburdened dams, vacant places, mines and colony premises. Efforts of SCCL are now yielding results. These plantations are fully grown and look like thick forests on OB dumps. In addition to this, SCCL has adopted numerous eco-friendly measures in and around the project vicinity. Scrap yards in the mines are made as crop yards by cleaning the scrap and sowing seeds. As per CMPDIL reports, SCCL has been declared as a carbon neutral company in the year 2021-22 thanks to afforestation, solar plants, FMC projects adopted by SCCL. Employees and local people of surrounding areas are also participating actively in these eco-friendly activities. Schools running by SCCL included environment protection as one of the subjects as part of their academic curriculum. Green captains are selected from each class of every school and college to spread the eco-awareness among children. The chairman and MD Sri N. Balaram himself planted more than 18,000 saplings in Singareni areas in last 3 years. And these plantations are now becoming mini forests. Eco-parks are large connected landscapes with high nature conservation and environmental protection ambitions. They are parks which use ecological landscape features to reduce watering and other maintenance while enhancing wildlife and human values. Here is one such park developed by the Singareni Collieries Company Limited in a closed bind GK Open Cost at Kottagudem area. This park is developed adjacent to 2 water sumps of the closed mine and reclaimed green OB dumps which look like natural green hills. In this 20 hectares backfilled area of mine, different eco-segments are developed. Butterfly Park has been developed with numerous flowering plants. This park is now home for more than 20 different species of butterflies. The biodiversity segment is raised with 50 different species of plant. A palm tree garden is raised with 22 types of palm species. Vinayaka Vanam is a kind of garden where 21 species of different plants which have medicinal values have been raised here. A honeybee apiculture project is also taken up here. The water bodies of Old Mine look like real lakes. Management has arranged boating facility in this water body. A bird watching tower is constructed near water bodies for visitors to watch about 24 species of birds which are being attracted by Eco Park. In addition to the local birds, some migrating birds are also seen here. In Reptiles Park, suitable habitation arrangements are made to attract snakes, lizards, etc. SCCL maintains more than 3 lakh sapling capacity nursery within the premises of Eco Park. Children Park, cafeteria, restrooms are made available here. This is the place where people can come here for relaxation, rejuvenation, socialization and can learn firsthand how the region's flora and fauna benefit their villages and towns. సింగరేణికి సంబంధించిన మరిన్ని విషయాలపై సమగ్ర విశ్లేషణ, వివరాలతో కూడిన ఆసక్తికర విజ్ఞానదాయకమైన కార్యక్రమం కోసం, అలాగే మరిన్ని స్ఫూర్తిదాయక సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాల కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి సింగరేణి సైరన్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్.